Installation instructions for motorized vertical shear blinds. Firstly, evenly fasten the brackets onto the track. 2 brackets per meter. Push the runners to one side to make it convenient to install the hooks. After completing the above steps, then install the motor. Just align the position and fasten it tightly. Attention, the brackets must not be clipped onto the position where the motor is to be installed. Otherwise, the motor won't be able to be installed. After the motor is fastened tightly, make sure that the buckle on the other side has been locked. Finally, tighten the screws on the motor and the motor installation is completed. After the motor is installed, then attach the hooks next. There is an opening at the upper end of the hook. The open end should face the white dot in the runner, align it and press it down to lock it tightly. Then you can install the track. Pay attention to centering the track above the window. First, fix the 2 middle mounting brackets. Then fix the other mounting brackets. After the track is installed, attach the hooks to the blinds. The side with a coarser texture is the front side, while the side with a finer texture is the back side. The front side should face outwards. Fold the slats in half and stack them up in this order. Attach a hook onto one side of the first slat alone. Then put one side of the first slat and one side of the second slat together and attach the hook to them. Pay attention that we need to make sure that each slat is folded in half and stacked together in the same direction. Use the hook to buckle one side of the first slat and one side of the second slat together. Then, according to the stacking order, connect them 2 by 2. After that, press the hooks down to fasten them tightly. Attach a hook to one side of the last slat alone. After all the hooks are fastened, you can hang the blinds on the track. To make it easier to hang the blinds, push the runners out a little bit. Push the hook upwards to fasten it tightly onto the runners. After hanging it up, tidy up the slats and the installation is completed.